Tonight, community leaders come together to honor lives lost in major flooding. Good evening, and thanks for joining us for News 2 at 10. I'm Emily Proud. Over 100 residents from Waverly came together for an emotional ceremony. Many can't believe it's been a year since catastrophic flooding that took 20 lives. News 2's Nikki McGee joins us with how the community is coping 1 year later.
Tonight, the community is coming together to remember the 20 flood victims that died just 1 year ago. This evening, Governor Lee also showed up to this event, calling this flood one of the worst tragedies in Tennessee history.
A year is not a very long time, but it is a really important time for us to come together and to remember, to continue to support one another, to continue to love one another, to continue to pray for one another.
If you talk to the residents of Waverly, they'll tell you it doesn't feel like it's been a year. A year since floodwaters crept up in a matter of minutes, turning their world upside down.
Nothing's the same. It feels just like we're still back there.
Kelsey Schultz lost her son, 16-year-old Nathaniel Whitsitt, one of the many being honored tonight.
It wasn't pleasant. They both went out the window. That's his brother. They went out the window at the same time. The water was rushing, and we didn't know for 3 days whether he was alive or dead.
Nathaniel's grandmother shares what the floods taught her.
Never, ever, ever take for granted anything or anyone. If you love somebody, tell them you love them.
As the community continues to show the meaning of Waverly Strong, the governor says they grieve, but they grieve with hope.
Last honor I have to be here tonight to remember, to grieve with you, to honor those who are lost, but to walk in great hope with great expectation for the redemption that is to come to this community.
Tomorrow morning, community members are encouraged to attend a local church service as they'll be having special services to remember these victims. Also tomorrow night, on the actual day of the 1 year anniversary, there will be a special memorial held in the high school gym at 6 p.m. Reporting in Waverly, Nikki McGee, News 2.
Thank you, Nikki. Today, the Humphreys County Sheriff says Waverly will build a memorial to mark the devastating flood. On Sunday, the Church of Christ will hold a memorial during their regular 10 a.m. service. Then at 6 o'clock, as Nikki just told you, there will be a multi-denominational memorial service at Waverly Central High School. Governor Bill Lee has been invited to that as well. Senator Kerry Roberts and his wife will attend. Loretta Lynn is also paying tribute to those affected by the Waverly flooding. On Tuesday, there will be a concert at the Loretta Lynn Ranch, which was also damaged during the floods. That show begins at 7 p.m. and our own Danielle Breezy is hosting. News 2 covered every angle of the historic flooding in the past year, and you can find all of our stories at WKRN.com and search using the keyword Waverly.